A testing. Testing. 1, 2. Are we live? Good morning, fellas. Good morning. Good morning. We are live from sunny Florida. Let's go. How's it going, guys? How's it going? Can you guys hear me okay? I'm afraid my sound is probably going to be a little bit echoey. I might be a little bit echoey. I'm gonna have to look into. I'm gonna have to put up some more soundboard. Let's go. Good morning, guys. Black coffee in the house. Good morning, Bass, Cliff, Matthew 36. M. Susan. Good morning. The Sun Dweller is here. Ace Undercover, Niles, Mockery, Jack Wiley, Golf Guy Mike. Yeah, I like that. Team NBT. I love it. Best Guess Trading, Tam, Trading Ever After. Good morning. Trade Ranger, Clarity Trader, Matthew, Muru Ganks, Grant Thompson Trades. Good morning. Jake Dell, Sam Owen. Good morning. Timbo. Good morning. R5 Studios, Fred Yeager. Good morning. Let's go, guys. How we doing from sunny Florida? Oh, man. All right, let's see. Ooh. Oh, man. I was just now logging into the Tradeify Cup. Let's go. This is pretty cool. This is pretty cool that you can see all this. I love it. I love it. All right, everybody. All right, we got to pay attention here. I feel a little bit out of touch. I feel out of touch with the market. Hey, John. Good morning, John. Office looks great. Thank you. Thank you. I appreciate it. I got to say, we put in a lot of work, a lot of blood, sweat, and tears on this office in the last, since Friday. Citizen Zero, good morning. Linda, good morning. How we doing? Let's go. Hang on, I forgot. I need to change my Streamlabs. Oh, there's so much stuff to remember. So much stuff to remember when trying to do the new setup. And I'm very curious, guys. Give me feedback on how the stream is looking. Like, is the stream smooth? Like, I'm not sure on, I think I'm good with my internet speeds the way they are, but you guys just kind of got to let me know if you see anything that doesn't look right. All right. What? Okay, let me look. All right, let me. Sorry, guys, I'm just. Okay. Think we're good. All right. I have not traded my Tradeify Cup. I have not traded it because I don't have it yet. Oh, I have the account, but my data is delayed. For some reason, my data got delayed, so gotta change that. I'm trying to get them to fix that. Once it's fixed, we can trade it. I did trade my. What is that? I didn't know you could. Huh. My funded next accounts, I traded those a little bit the last couple of days on gold, but not a whole lot. But yeah, other than that, we've just been chilling. I haven't even, which I guess it was the weekend, but I feel out of touch with I just feel out of touch with the market and with stream. Like, it's so weird because it's so different. I'm in a new place. I think the other part of the problem is I feel unsettled because I just haven't, like, our home, we're still trying to get moved in. So everything is just not in order, not in place. And that definitely does make a difference as well. But we're having a great time. We are having a great time here in Florida. Beautiful weather, and I'm getting the urge to go golfing. But I got some work to do first. Your office looks very similar to the Hyatt trading office. I tried to make it like at least somewhat like, okay, what I wanted to do is to have the camera angle be the same. So the camera angle is the same. Now, I got to show you a little bit of, I got to show you some of my decor. Some of my decor, which is in the background, it's kind of hard for you guys to see it. So I'm going to go get it. This is what I love. I love these. These, okay, let's focus. That's a golf figurine. I love it. Uh-oh. This thing keeps falling out. And then this, I love this as well. I wish I could move this like more to like the front and center. I don't know. I wish you guys could see it better, but I love I love this one. I love it. But I don't know. I haven't figured out a way to get it closer. I guess I could move it closer, but it is what it is. Hey, you joined the Tradeify team? Guys, do you want to look at the Tradeify team? Do we want to look at it? Hey, I wanted to tell you guys, first and foremost, if you are trading in the Tradeify Grand Cup, make sure that you don't trade more than 2 minis. That is 2 minis across all symbols. You can't trade 2 minis in gold and 2 in NQ and 2 in oil, like 2 minis or 20 micros. You cannot go over your total contracts of 2 minis or 20 micros. So you also can't have 2 minis and 5 micros going at the same time. So I wish I would have been aware of that like last week to warn you guys. Yeah, I wish I could have warned you guys, but I wasn't streaming and I was literally traveling, and then we were moving the last couple days. It's been chaotic. I have spent about 2 seconds on social media and YouTube in the last 4 days. I have spent very little time on YouTube, very little time on Twitter. I feel kind of like I'm out of the loop, but can you please explain the rule of the cup high level? Does it go from eval to PA? I don't believe so, Sharuz. It is basically, so I want to check. I want to double check that, but there is a rules FAQ on their site where week 1 knockout. So from November 2nd through November 14th, here, actually, I'll just show you guys this. Man, the market continuing to pull back. We might get a pullback into the VWAP here. All right, so here, this is what it shows right now. So the first one is the 2-week session. So week 1, build your account, no eliminations. So the first week, you can reset up to 3 times if you need to. It will cost you $35 to reset. And then week 2, the bottom 30% of traders get knocked out every day starting the first day of week 2. So the first day of week 2, the bottom 30%, they get eliminated every single day. So that's basically the first week you spend trying to build your balance. So you're in that top 10% or whatever, because then people are going to start getting eliminated that second week. And then whoever is remaining, that's what goes to these accounts. And right now, here's our leaderboard. So right now, JFK Trades, this is the overall leaderboard. They don't have a team. That's the overall leaderboard. But here we can select Team NBT right here. Okay, this is the current leaderboard. And again, at the end of today, like I'm going to take a screenshot of this leaderboard at the end of today, like at the close of 5 p.m. I'm going to take a screenshot of this, and then we're going to do Tradeify giveaways based off of the top, whoever is placing first, second, third, whatever. We'll decide, but I've got quite a bit of accounts to give away, and we will do a giveaway with that in mind. So the number 1 place is Dak Dakley, or J. Lee Dakley. I mean, if you're in the chat, please announce yourself in the chat. Sean Emerson. Golf Guy Mike is in 3rd place. Round of applause for Golf Guy Mike. Let's go. Let's go, Golf Guy Mike. I love it. This is why I want it. I really love when you guys have the same username as your chat name. I love it. Gregory Duncan in 4th place. Clyde Bruckman. Then we got Ling Feng Chen, Eddie Lowen, Infinity Go Long, Sleeper NQ, Misha, Baby Driver, Thomas. We can just keep scrolling down through here. Shane, Bugs. I'm just looking for some familiar names. Hey, Gutenberg. Brett. Oh, wow. Did Brett Simba join my team? No, I'm just kidding. That's probably not him. Da-dan. Hey, Sharuz. I see you, Sharuz. Clarity. I might be skipping over some names here, but Dabda. Nice to see Dabda here. Stephen Cox. Nice to see you. BCT, Black Coffee Trader, number 67. Let's go, Black Coffee. Wall Street Redneck. I love it. Oh, Matthew Ward, Ruben, Sam Owen. Let's go, Sam Owen. Prop Trading Deutsch, Phil. Nutty Bar, here we go. I can't trade. I have delayed data. I wonder how many other people have delayed data as well. Anyway, do we want to look at who blew the account already or not? Hey, Kiss Me, I Cooked. Good to see you. Cly, there's a lot of people here that haven't traded yet, which is good news. Because, again, guys, just make sure that you don't, if you're just joining us, make sure you don't trade more than 2 minis total. Total. Do you have to pay resets on the Tradeify Cup? Yes, you do, Niles. The reset, you can reset up to 3 times that first week. Only the first week, though. So you can only reset the first week, and then after that, that's it. But that's pretty cool. I mean, they got this thing pretty, gotta say, they got this set up pretty nicely. All right. All right, market trying to bounce off the VWAP. Also, guys, I am watching gold as well because I will trade gold on these funded next accounts. So just an FYI, we will be looking at gold, and gold is trying to break above the 430s. If we can break above this, break above that 438, we got to wait for a pullback. Basically the same entry criteria. 2-minute 21 EMA and the 5-minute 21 EMA. And if we get a pullback to it, we will take the trade. I took a trade this morning. Let me look. Yeah, so the trade I took last night was this entry. My first target was hit, but then my stop loss got hit. So that's what happened with the overnight. The one overnight trade I took from my laptop. Oh man, we need an NBT investigation for those people who are up 25K plus. Okay, Golf Guy Mike, trust me. So a lot of the top people on the leaderboard has been confirmed. They are going to be eliminated starting tomorrow because they were trading more than 2 minis. They were trading 2 minis on gold, on ES, on NQ, on oil, on euro. They were trading 2 minis on all instruments. You can't do that. And they were also trading 20 micros. You can only ever be in 2 minis or 20 micros. That is it. So let's make sure we don't mess up. If you did mess up, I think you can reset and go again. But I want to make sure, I want to make sure everybody's aware of that. And I think right now, our team plan. Here's the team huddle. Let's do a team huddle here, guys. Here's the plan. Here's our game plan. Let's take it. The first couple days of this competition, this first week, this is when we want to be aggressive. If we can be aggressive this week, build up a nice balance so that we can go into next week without being that bottom 30%. That's going to be the key. And especially, I don't know, it's hard. Okay, so if they eliminate the bottom 30% every day for 5 days, how many people are in this chat? Can we see? Is there somewhere I can see how many people total are in here. I want to check and see if my account is now. Do I still have delayed data or is that fixed? I'm hoping they fixed it. Ah, it's still delayed data. So annoying. I'm being nerfed. Tradeify is nerfing Nutty Bar. Nutty Bar, they're scared. I'm getting nerfed, guys. I am getting nerfed. Bottom of the leadership board. You're too much of a threat. I know, Grant Thompson. They know. They don't want none of this. 2 minis or 10. Wait, it's 10 micros? Oh, yikes. Wait, really? Why did I saw someone say 20? Okay, let me double check that. You're probably right. Okay. 2 minis or 10. Okay, see, they say 2 minis slash 10. Man, okay, I need to figure out. Hang on. So I saw that's some conflicting but it is 10 micros. Okay, after 10K, maybe 5K. Maybe that's what they were saying. Oh, let me see. See if I can find. I'm trying to figure out where did I see that information? Did Brett post it? All right, the gold breaking out. We now just need to get a nice pullback, double top up here, the 4038s. NQ cannot seem to get anything going this morning. Actually, NQ, we might get a short setup here if we continue lower. It looks like we might be looking at a short setup. Okay, here we go. Brett Simba clarified the rules. I'm really glad, actually, that okay, here's the rules. Tradeify Grand Cup rules. Let me retweet this so my people know. So you cannot trade micros slash minis at the same time. The max allowed on each at one time is 2 minis or 10 micros. So long 1 NQ, long 1 gold at the same time is allowed. Not allowed long 1 NQ and long 5 micros at the same. Wait, huh? So you can't trade 1 NQ and 5 micros on MES? Okay, so it's either or. So either you trade 2 minis or 10 micros. Okay, I see. That is good to know, though. If the balance is above 5K after end of day report, then the next session you will be scaled up to 5 minis or 20 micros. If you breach these rules yesterday or this morning, at end of day, you will be reset. This reset will be free. Okay. And it will not count towards your 3 resets. How about? Yeah. Okay. So you cannot trade micros, minis at the same time. All right, guys. Okay. Is everybody clear? Team NBT, are we clear? Everybody huddle up. Team on 3. Let's do this. Now, if I can just get Tradeify to give me live data. Come on, man. You're killing me. I'm getting nerfed. I'm getting nerfed here. I'll just DM the owner. Okay. 5, 3, 4. All right. All right. Let's pay attention. We got to pay attention to gold. Gold, we need a pullback. NQ, we need. We're getting close. We're getting close where we can take a short on NQ. Man, I just did. By the way, guys, did you see Apex came out with a different kind of deal? Apex with 70% off, but only $40 for a lifetime activation. That is as low as I've ever seen it. That is pretty insane. If anyone has past evals that they've just been waiting, man, you hit it. You hit it right. Congrats. All right, I'm long NQ 26,151 entry. Rumo, good luck. How long is the contest? So it is for a total of 4 weeks. Let me see. Okay, it ends on December the 12th. Hey, this might be meant to be. My birthday is December 12th. Wouldn't that be a great birthday present if I somehow miraculously won 200,000 for my birthday. Whoop, whoop. That'd be sick. All right, market continuing lower. Gold continuing higher. Interesting. All right, now we just need to wait for a pullback. Let's get a pullback and let's see how the first trade from Florida goes. It's going to tell us a lot. Amakre, you're up $700 on the cup. Let's go. Oh, yours is the third. Oh, yours is the 14th. Trading ever after. Okay, let's go. What is the email for Apex so we can get eval again? Been trying. It is what is that email to send to? Compliance at apextraderfunding.com. That's where you want to send your email to. And you probably need to do a lot of praying. Lots and lots of praying as well. That's what I've been told. How's the new house? I mean, Fred Yeager, thanks for asking. Honestly, we love the house. House is great. But it is so crazy here. I want to show you guys a picture. I want to show you guys a photo, and it will explain exactly what I'm talking about. Oh, by the way, this is a better view. This is a better view of my office. This is what my office looks like. I guess this is over here, but everything else is the same. I love these golf figurines. Oh, I just love them. But that is the office. Trying to find the right picture here. No tilt chair yet. I might put a chair here in this corner. I wasn't sure if I was going to have enough room, but I think we will. I think I'm going to be able to fit a chair. It's just going to be on the opposite corner and not going to be on camera, but I will have a chair, I think. Okay, so here. So this will give you guys a really good idea on what I am dealing with currently. You see this? This is what our garage looks like. Look at this. I mean, it is insane how much stuff we have to put together. It is insane. Like, there's so many boxes, and this here isn't even all of it. There are still more packages coming to yesterday, today, tomorrow, and Wednesday. There's more stuff coming all the way through Wednesday. Like, we got so much stuff to put together. All day Saturday, that's all I was doing. That's all I was doing. Design Knob, hey, good to see you, Design Knob. Show a pic of my room, please. John, it's not quite ready yet. Show my imaginary pool. Oh, I wish. If I moved to Florida permanently, no. No, we're here as snowbirds. For the new reset, you can use code NBT. The first purchase was made without using any code. Oh, can you switch teams on your reset? That's a good question. You have the same bull and bear, Ralph Gruns? Let's go. I love it. I love it. I need more furniture. Trust me. Oh, it is insane how much stuff we are putting together. All day Saturday until midnight, I was literally working on putting together furniture. I had to put together my desk, the item behind me. We actually had to just put together 4 bar stools because we didn't have a place to even sit down to eat. And then I got to share the story. Got to share the story of my fridge. I was very frustrated with a guy. Um, so on the way down, or last week, I ordered the washer, the dryer, and the refrigerator, and I had it scheduled to come and be installed on Friday when I was going to be here. So I was planning to be here on Friday. Now I couldn't pick a specific time, so I had to just pick during that day, and they would call me and give me a heads up once they're on their way. Well, I was 30 minutes from my home, from Florida, not Florida line, but I was 30 minutes from our house when I got the call from the installer, and he said he was here. He's here, ready to install. And I told him that's fine. I can open the garage door with my phone, and he can get inside and he can install without me. It's fine. And a mockray. Anyway, so then he calls me back and he says, "Hey, I have bad news. The refrigerator doesn't fit through the garage door to bring it in to install it." Well, and I thought, "Oh, it's fine." You know, I'm like, big deal. I told him, I said, "It's fine. Just unlock the front door, from the inside, and then you can get it in through the front door." Well, but at some point, someone delivered a package and they put the package by the front door. And I kid you not, this was a carpet. So, and this guy refused to move the carpet because he said he might be liable. If he damages it, then he would be liable, and he can't move the carpet. He can't move the carpet from the front door so that he can get the fridge in. I'm just like, come on, dude. Like, come on. Anyway, we had to reschedule to get the fridge installed. The fridge is getting installed now tomorrow, which all weekend we don't have a fridge. So we can't go shopping for food, we did get a little bit of food, but nothing that needs to be refrigerated. So we're living off DoorDash and bananas and just like granola bars. Oh, it's wild. It's a crazy time over here or down here. But you know what? We're having fun. It's fun. It's an adventure. That's how I look at it. It's an adventure. All right. Market is starting to get a little bit of a pullback on gold and NQ. It might actually happen where we get a setup on gold and NQ at the same time. That could happen. All right, we got to start paying attention here. If we come up around, basically, the 21 EMA on the 2-minute right now is the 151s. Because you're a nice guy, but any other douche would try to get the money from the dude the carpet was damaged in any way. I know, Jose. I told him, I said, "Sir, I promise you, if you move the carpet and it breaks in 2, I will just buy another one. Like, I'm not going to do anything if you do any damage." And he just refused. He's like, "I'm sorry, sir, I can't do it." I even told him, I said, "Can I talk to your boss? Like, if I talk to your boss and tell him it's okay, will that work?" "Oh, nope, that doesn't work. Nope." I finally gave up. You got that? You got money like that? No. Well, okay. The carpet costs like $100. I'm like, if the worst thing that can happen is the carpet gets ruined, which I mean, how are you going to ruin a carpet by picking it up and moving it 3 feet? Come on. You're not going to ruin the carpet that way. But anyway, I get it. It's policy, blah, blah, blah. But it is what it is. We'll get our fridge tomorrow. Hey, you're at 1.1K on your Tradeify account. Let's go. I'm going to see. I'm still trying to get mine. Still trying to get live data. I can't trade mine right now. Somebody help me. I need help. Let's log in again. Okay, one thing that we need to do is my doors, I need to seal. It's really, the sound travels a lot more than what it was. Yeah, I still can't trade. Come on, man. Yeah, I still can't do anything. So annoying. Okay, well, let's pay attention here. I mean, gold, we just didn't get a big enough pullback, but hey, we might be getting NQ. We might getting an entry here. It is time to pay attention. All alert. Everybody on full alert. Actually, no, just me. All right, we might not get it set up. This thing might just rip straight back up. We seem to like doing that lately. We've been doing a lot of V-shaped reversal moves. Oh, by the way, bad news. I did mess up my my Top Step account. Like an idiot. Like an idiot. Had 2 good days on it. And then the third day, can you believe I could get gold? I knew it was coming. I knew eventually gold was going to punish me. And I got absolutely punished on Friday with gold. And I could not get a winning trade to save my life. All right, we got a entry would be right here at the moment. My stop loss would be right here. Man, that's kind of a big stop loss. All right, I'm going with that. Okay, we are in this. First trade of the Florida stream. Let's go. Dump it. Let's get a good follow through here. Come on, market. Dump it. Feel like my target actually should have been right there. Let's see. And my second target, do I get the... I feel like I'm good with this. All right. First target hit. Dump it. Let's go. Did you get a max payout from Top Step? Yes, yes, Max 90. I did. I got I think it was $19,800 payout, which was much needed, much needed. It basically covers my expenses for the month of October, which I still need to do all that data, and hopefully I can do that tonight. Sometime this week, I want to update my Apex top 10 payouts. I need to do my expenses, profit and loss for the month of October. I got a lot of things I need to do, but at the same time, I also need to put furniture together. All right, now this is, okay, just go, 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 go. Give it to me, baby. Hit it. Yes. Let's go. Let's go, boys. Oh, Florida for the win. That was stress-free. We didn't even have to leave the room, guys. Didn't even have to leave the room. Boom. Let's go, chat. It's too easy. I'm just kidding. It's not too easy. I'm just kidding. I'm kidding, market. Please don't take offense. That was a picture perfect setup, though. I mean, it just don't get any better than that. All right, let's pay attention on gold. We need a little bit more of a pullback here on gold before we can take a long. Just need a little more. Did we bottom tick it, guys? No shot. Did we actually bottom tick that? What? All right, we need to screenshot this. This was a really nice, I love when there's almost no drawdown. Oh, it feels so good. Oh, by the way, look what I have. The reason I didn't have to leave the room, I invested in a stress ball. So now I don't need to leave the room when I'm in a trade. I'll just use my stress ball and squeeze. It helps. Now I'm fine. It's a de-stressor for me. Let's go, Rad Rash. 1.5K on Team NBT. Let's go. Today I'm icy. I can't trade on my Tradeify Cup account. That's right. Yeah, I know the point, Jose. I feel like, yeah, it is what it is. I didn't give him too hard of a time. Clarity, good morning. How we doing? All right, now we wait. See if we get another setup. Gold is kind of... one thing I've noticed with gold is gold does a lot of this, like just up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. It'll fake you out 10 times and then it goes. I think it's like a stepsister to NQ. A lot of similarities, a lot of similar vibes. I can't believe Patrick entered the Tradeify Grand Cup account. I am very offended that he didn't enter with Team NBT. I might have to cancel my trip to the BDH. Just saying. We might have to cancel. He didn't join NBT, man. So disappointed. It's like a dad. I'm not mad. I'm not mad, but I'm very disappointed. I thought we were friends. I guess not. And then the worst, he joins no team. Oh man, that's just lame. Why would you want to not be on a team? Got to be a team player. I saw Alpine is on my team. Oh, thank goodness. If Alpine would have been no team, I would have been hurt. I would have actually, that would have broken my heart. I would have really been hurt. So I'm glad Alpine joined NBT. Whew. That one would have been hard to get over. I saw Rad Poker wasn't on NBT team. That hurt a little bit, but he did try. He tried to switch, but he couldn't. I'm on Team Kellyanne. No, you're not, Tate. No, you're not. Don't even come at me with that, because Kellyanne doesn't have a team. Tate, you better be on my team. You know what we need to do? We might need to do a little bit of a cleansing. Maybe we need to cleanse the chat a little bit. We'll do a full audit. Figure out who joined, who's in here that joined a different team. Who's in here that joined a different team? And we might have to do a little cleansing of the chat. I haven't used that band hammer in quite some time. Why not get a good start in Florida? We need to maybe do a little cleansing here in Florida with the band hammer. Oh, that would be funny. Uh-oh, K-Trader's been outed. Oh gosh. Okay, if someone in chat, I'm not joking, if someone in chat that I know, and you end up winning or advancing to the final round, and you like didn't join, especially if you joined no team. If you joined a different team, I guess we can investigate that. You can state your cause. But if you join no team and you're like a regular person in chat, yeah, we're going to have to do a lifetime ban. I mean, there's just no way around. There's no way we recover from that. There's just no way we're going to have, we're not, I don't think we can, I don't think we can get past that. June will show up at your doorstep. Yes, exactly. You know someone entered the competition as June. If there's someone entered as June, I'm just going to assume that it's Design Knob. It's got to be. It's got to be Design Knob. Yeah, I'm canceling my BDH trip. Whoa, what's happening with gold? Big pullback here. This is kind of what happens sometimes with gold, where it's hard to get setups. It just, when it's doing the big moves, but there's a chance we could get a setup here, but it's not looking too good. Okay, I want to watch. I want to watch and see how this candle closes. If this candle closes above the 31s, we might get a setup. It's a pretty testing. I'm not muted. Will Apex have a trading competition of its own? I don't know. I don't know. Joom 1, Joom 2, and Joom 3. Dean Bishop. I've joined no team to drag you down. Please, no, Jose. I saw you. I saw you. YPW was just talking positive about you. No, because he didn't join the NBT team. I'm just kidding, by the way, but I want to give him some I want to give him a hard time about it. Why he should have joined NBT team. Why would you want to be on no team? That's lame. No team is lame. You know who I don't want to win? This guy, Rocket Scooter. That guy's starting to rub me the wrong way. That guy can go fly a kite. Did you guys see the video of him talking trash about the Tradeify Cup? Not Tradeify, the Trade Day Cup. And he was talking all this trash about it, and everybody. I feel like he was taking some shots at me. Guy can just go. Just go fly a kite. Whoa, NQ dump down through the 60s. Oh, we got to take a screenshot of this. Hang on. Let's do our homework and register this trade and journal it. Like man, this one would have been a good one to trail, but we didn't. Of course we didn't. What a dump. Wow, all the way down through the 30s, 36 is gold doing the same? Gold is dumping, NQ dumping. 15-minute chart looks not so great. We kind of double topped up here at the 26,250s. I don't know. We've got some support here, the 26,000s. Also some at the 2620s. Wow, this is this is starting to turn very, very bearish. We don't really have a setup now on NQ on gold. Doesn't look like we're gonna get a setup on gold, so wow. Now we just wait, see if we get another entry here. Watch the 46. Copy that. Okay, Kevin G, how we doing? Watch yourself. PW has a Nutty Bar trap set up waiting for you. I'll be sure to keep in mind. I'll be sure to watch out, Kevin G. I do not know. I do not know, but I think you are going to see 200 points down below your entry. Oh, wow, Ragnar. I wouldn't be shocked. Anything's happening. Hey, Camber Trade. Good morning, Camber. Good to see you. Had to end my session early. My data is lagging. What? With who, Camber Trades? Who? Are these all funded accounts? Locked in 86. Yes, they are all funded. They matter. They all matter. Okay, this was trade number 16 of 30. And we had from the 83s, 20. Man, this is such a nice dump. Wow. Really wish I would have. Oh, that's one that we could have actually tried to trail. Of course, that's always what happens. See, the other problem is if I put my trailing stop at my first target, probably get stopped out there by a tick, and then I'm just very frustrated. So really don't, well, I don't know. I'm fine with this trade the way it was. I'm fine with it. Can't. Okay, how much was that? 83, so 17. I have a different kind of keyboard. I'm not sure that I like it. It's really the keys, it's a mechanical keyboard and it's kind of loud. Oh wait. This was trade 17 of 30. All right, here's our report card for this trade. A plus, 17 of 30. Love to see it. All right, now we just need a consolidation back up higher. See if we get another setup. I will take another trade. If we have 2 winning trades in a row, then I will call it a day. 2 or 3, depending on what kind of price action we get, but I'm connected to Apex, Take Profit Trader, and Tradeify. I think it's the Trade Devil order flow indicator. Oh, I see, Camera Trades. Yeah, good thing that you noticed the lag. There's nothing more frustrating. If you click the enter button and then you realize that it's lagging, and then you're like, that is not a good feeling. I just realized I had 2 order flow charts open. Oh, yikes. Doesn't the camera, is that the indicator that it uses a lot of bandwidth, data bandwidth, right? Hey, you like the mechanical keyboard? I love how it feels, but it's kind of loud. I don't know. I think I'm gonna like it though. Took my first $290 trade, 7-8. Let's go. Let's go, Jose. You're killing it. Keep it up. Actually, I'm gonna try if I ever get my data turned on. I'm gonna try to get to like, once you get above that 5,000 in profit, you can use 2 minis or no 5. Those people are gonna have an advantage or disadvantage, depending. Yeah, doesn't it? Oh, and it's even worse on Rankos. Okay. Ah, I see. Nice, nice. Hey, how we doing, Faisal? You know you can get a key that is quiet. Oh, really? Okay. Maybe I might look into that. I do love the feel, like the feel of a mechanical keyboard. It just feels so great. Feels really good. I wonder. The 221. Hmm. Okay, we're getting that move back. Move back up higher. Let's see if we get an entry. We might. 400. All right, we got to pay attention. We're right at that 21 2-minute. Let's see what gold's doing. Yeah, gold is just not a setup right now. Hey, can you And you can customize its color white. Oh, I see. Test the 107s. Yeah. Yeah, gold bouncing off VWAP. I did notice that. Can you use funding ticks on Ninja? Yes, you can, Almighty. I am currently doing it. These accounts right here. FTZ. Those are funding ticks accounts. All right, we got to pay attention here. We might get a setup. It's looking pretty bullish. Looking pretty bullish. When we start seeing this kind of momentum, always makes me a little bit nervous. So we don't get it. This candle has to close first. Oh. Hey, Jim JB, good morning, good afternoon. Sorry for the typos. Almighty, it's fine. For a moment there, I thought it was John. Oh, we got to pay attention. Man, I don't know where I need to have this target. All right, are we getting filled here or not? If this rips back up, then we cancel this entry. Yeah, that's starting to look like it might have been a little bit of a fake out. I'm a little bit concerned, like when we see this kind of momentum, then it's a little bit, well, we just got to wait and see now. We could still have an entry here though. Once we close like above this 94, then maybe we get an entry up here at the 21 EMA on the 5 minute. Yeah, this is probably not. Yep, I'm going to cancel this. Let's see. Maybe we get an entry on the 5 minute 21 EMA, but very fortunate. We were very, very close to getting filled on that one. You're not taking part in the Tradeify competition, consistent trader? Yes, I am. I definitely am. Unfortunately, right now, my data is delayed. I can't trade. Tradeify nerfed me. They knew I would, they knew they couldn't give, they had to delay my start time. It's kind of like when a race happens, someone's just too fast, delay the start time just to make it fair. At least that's my conspiracy. Probably not true. But hey, that's what I tell myself. Make me feel better. But unfortunately, it is delayed. I'm going to log in right now and see if they fixed it. Oh, they fixed it. Oh, Hey, we can trade the Tradeify account. Okay, now we need to make sure we don't accidentally trade too many contracts. I might trade some gold to start off with. Oh, we got to pay attention here. This might set up. All right. Did we get tapped? That was quite nasty fill right there. I don't know. All right. Now I need to go on a walk. I'll be right back. I actually need to go get water. And we're, oh, come on, market. Man. That sucked. Oh, that makes me sad. Why did you have to do that? If this thing goes lower now, not cool, man. Man, I feel like, I mean, right? I mean, this could be another setup here. We are rejecting off of the 5-minute 21. Feel like I gotta take it. Uh-oh. No, I'm not in all my trades. No. What do I do? Not all my trades are in. I'm not quite sure what I need to do here. I might be cooked. I want it to wick above and fill all the accounts. I really need them to fill all the accounts here. That can happen when you kind of... Wait, why did it not fill them? Hang on. Do I just flatten everything? I thought it would fill me. I might have to flatten everything. I'm just going to flatten everything. I don't like that. I don't like... I don't like that. Rather safe than sorry. I wonder if there is a setting. Might be a blessing here to flatten all. Now you can simply full port gold to get it all back in green. Don't tempt me with a good time here, design. Don't tempt me with a good time. Okay. I mean, I do kind of like the entry below this 64. Man, we just could not. We just couldn't do it, huh? Man, I do like the short here, though. I'm going to have to take it. If I get filled, I get filled. My stop, I think we will have just above this. All right, I'm canceling this one. If we close above this 80s, I'm going to cancel this. Oh man, we just barely did. This gold testing. Oh wow. I'm not too sure about this. Can we go, can we make new lows here? What is the little square at the bottom of the screen? What do I see? Where is where? What? I do not know what you say. Oh, it's gone now? I'm not sure what it was. And it's kind of a dangerous area here, if I'm being honest. We're just chopping back and forth. It's 11 o'clock. Feels like it wants to go higher. But if we reject off of this, I do like the shorts if we break down. So I am going to keep this trade. If we get triggered, we'll take it. If not, it's fine. Oh, my take profit. Yeah, that's what that was. Or I assume, I guess. We close above that 85 level, then I'm closing this order. Oh man, that's unfortunate. We couldn't get a good follow through on that other trade right here. Oh man. It was a picture perfect setup. Got the end and just we couldn't make new lows. Market just doesn't like going lower. Oh, I was scalpulaire. I was doing this. One of these. I'm not sure. But yeah, that's what it was. I was doing this. That's why you saw. That's just the different apps that I have open. I just realized, why does that not show up anywhere? Huh. You're buying alt terms right now for long term? I don't know, man. How did I get so consistent, HB? Honestly, I don't really think that I'm that consistent. I've been pretty volatile especially the last 6 months. I've been kind of all over the place. So, oh man, is this going to tease me again? I'm not too sure how I feel about this. I want this to break through and give me 100-point red candle. I want zero stress. This trade's going to stress me out. Oh, yeah. See, it's just doing the... I can't seem to get anything going all of a sudden. I don't know how I feel about this. How did I make 228,000? I mean, a couple hot streaks and just sheer willpower. But no, hey, I mean, obviously, yeah, I'm happy about that, but I feel like I could do so much better. But honestly, the key to being consistent, HB, the key to being consistent is accepting red days and not blowing up every time you have a red trade or a red day. If you're blowing up a lot, and I have done that, you're constantly restarting. It's just a nightmare hamster wheel. And I think there's value to sizing down, go with micros, trade a little bit slower, and learn along the way. That's the better option. All right. I don't know. I don't know how I feel about this trade because we're struggling to break down below, but we're also really struggling to get above that 21 EMA on the 2-minute. And on the 5-minute, we can't seem to get anything going. I feel like if this breaks down, we're going to get the 26,000s pretty quickly. Or there's that potential, but the thing that gives me pause is what time of day it is. It's 11 o'clock. And the other part I don't like, it seems lately the market just wants to go higher. And every day it seems like we just put in, these V-shaped reversal moves, and these kind of setups just absolutely get destroyed. I think I'm going to wait and see if we can't get that breakdown below. Oh, here we go. Hold on, boys. Is this going to be it? Give me a big ripper. Come on. Please don't fake out. Please don't fake out. Man, we just can't seem to get down there. Oh, this is starting to annoy me. You see red and you all may start thinking get it back. I mean, I'm trying not to. Right now, this right now this is kind of this is a setup. Now I will say it's starting to not become a setup just by the way we've been going so sideways now for the last 15 minutes. I'm asking myself, so if we break down below this and make new lows, I would look at this as a miss setup right now. Now we break back above this 21 EMA right here. We break above it and keep going higher. Then obviously the trend is broken and it's no longer an entry. But we kind of have to get above this 21 EMA on the 5-minute, in my opinion. Just my 2 cents. Yeah, exactly, Design Knob. It only goes up. I know, and that's what I don't like. It's what I don't like, man. Because see, now technically I should actually have my entry right here. If this fails off the 21 EMA on the 5, then are buy sell stop orders considered hitchhiker trades? You know, the going my way approach to entering a trade. Yeah, kind of scalpulator. That's how I think about it. Like I want to be tagged in when the move happens. A really perfect trade setup is when it rejects, it fills you, and it just keeps right on ripping lower. Like that's the beautiful setup. Does not always happen. Or if you're going long, the same thing can happen. You kind of, that's what you want to see happen, but it doesn't always happen. It makes my heart all warm and fuzzy when it does happen. Does Apex allow us to trade micros and minis on a PA account, switch whenever we want due to volatility? To some extent, HB, but if you're going from, 5 minis to 2 micros, they don't like that. So just, I'm not sure that rule gets enforced that much, but if you violated it quite a bit, they probably will have issues. All right, testing the 100s again. Do I keep my order here? Feel like, I almost have to. This is one of those times where I kind of feel like I could talk myself out of the trade pretty quickly. Moment of truth, folks. Can we get a continuation or not? I'm probably going to have to go on a walk when this trade enters. I either want this to just flush, rip lower, or go right back up right here. Just don't tag me in and then rip above the 21 EMA. Let's please not do that. Yeah, it is choppy. It is pretty choppy right here. Definitely agree. Rip higher or lower. Niles, that means it's probably going to go sideways, right? Probably going to go sideways. Man. Once we make a break above the 21 EMA on the 5 and hold it, then we're done. Like, then we're officially done, and it's probably time to walk away. What golf course are you close to? Bobby Jones is pretty close. Misty Creek is close. Those who trade my fund again. Gandalf. So I don't currently have a code with my fund of futures. They cut me off. They cut me off as an affiliate. They said I wasn't promoting their stuff enough. So I said, okay, fine. Be that way. I told them, and maybe if they would have better promotions, I would. But yeah, I'm not. The code NBT doesn't work. Use someone else's code. My vote is slowly chop higher. I honestly kind of want this to close higher so I can close this order and just be done with this. I mean, we actually wouldn't be that far away from a long setup. We just need to get above the VWAP here. I really don't think we're going to get filled. I don't think we're going to get anything here. Frank Martin, it is Tradeify Grand Cup, but it's no longer an option. I don't think you can join anymore. How far am I from Siesta Key? Siesta Key Beach, we can get there in about 20 minutes if there's medium traffic. We're about 20, 25 minutes away from Siesta Beach. Siesta Key, which I love. That's one of the nicest beaches you'll probably see in the world. One of the whitest sands you'll see. It's really nice. All right, here we go. Is it going to hit or not? Everybody say a prayer. Oh, boys. I'm going to need to go on a walk on this one. I can feel it. You know what? I'm going to take my profit here. I'm not going to be an idiot. Dump it! Do it! Dump it. Come on, market. This is where we're going to have issues if we have issues. We might struggle getting below this 64 or 65 area. I'm a little scared of it. Dump. Come on. Don't be difficult. Dump it. Dump, dump, dump. Hit me. I can't help it. I'm doing it. Okay. Okay. All right. Now we can calm down. Everybody's still alive. Are we still, everybody's still here? We're all alive. Okay. Now we are going to see, I'm going to see we can't get a move to the 26,000s. I'm going to trail this stop pretty aggressively. Yeah, I'm going to trail my stop pretty aggressive. I just have to be okay with getting stopped out, even though I'm kind of not. All right, we're going to strategically trail our stop here. Oh, come on, market. Can't we just dump one time? One time. I wish you'd stop doing that. This is where I want to go long, Frank Mortimer. Don't listen. This is not financial advice. Don't do like I do. If you want to take a long right here, do it. Do it and tell me about it later. You have to tell me after I'm done with my trade. Come on, market. This is the hard part. Holding these trades is what I seriously struggle with. Dump! Go, baby! Come on, just keep going. No. Oh, I shouldn't have said anything. Come on, market. Let's not do the whipsaw. Just make new lows. Do it. I need to go get some water, guys. I'll be right back. We're back. Dump it, market. Dump it, market. Dump it, dump it, dump it. I'm just going to try to be patient here. We are going to try our best to be patient. Not going to be easy. We might have some casualties. Feel like now my stop needs to probably be right here. I just know this is gonna just rip right back up and stop me out. You can just feel it. It's what I hate about holding. But see, if I want to be aggressive, my stop would be here. But then it's like, I don't like that either. This is the part of, I guess you just got to accept it. This is what we decided to do, and we just got to deal with it, live with it. It is what it is. And we're stopped. I hate this market sometimes. Ugh. It is what it is. Hey, John. Short. Let's go, John. You went short with me? Of course. Now this is, I hate how the NQ operates sometimes. Why can't we not just get a continuation move lower for once? Just seemed like so hard to get it. Yeah, the overnight gap, or I mean, at the very least, test the 26,000s. But yeah, the overnight gap at the 992s would be a great target. I love that target. Oh, man. We could get another setup here, right? I mean, we're still... This is actually kind of an interesting... Trying to debate. Man, guys, if we wouldn't have had that one stop out, we had a stop out. This trade here was... That makes me want to puke. If it wouldn't have been for that trade, we'd be having a really, really good first day in Florida. I guess we're back green. Which software do I use to copy trade? I use Replicanto. The problem now is technically we failed to make new lows here, so I probably should not look for another long setup here, to be honest. You know what? I need to... shoot. How am I going to do this? I guess we can maybe do it like this. I forgot to screenshot my stop out. We're going to have to do it like this. oh, wow. Look at this. Oh, this make, I don't know. I can't take. This is difficult to trade. This is kind of, I don't know. I don't know that I can really take it. The fact that we haven't made new lows is a concern, but the fact that we have not made it above the 21 EMA, I feel like we are going to go lower. Like, I think we will go lower and take out that overnight gap. But when, I don't know. This thing is just difficult to trade. And I don't want to be going short like down here and get chopped out. I just don't like that setup at all. And the fact we haven't made new lows. So trade number 18. I am not going to count this. I'm not going to count this trade as anything. Just because of the copy trade issue, and I closed out because of it. Yeah, and look at this choppy, ugly. Okay, this was 670, 70, 30. All right, now we need to record the next trade. And we reject again. Man, I'm not taking it. I am not taking this anymore. Trade 19. We basically had 75, 615 point. All right. I get the latest activation fee information Apex from you all the time, but I can't figure out where to find it myself. Where is it on the Apex site? Joel, I'm not sure they really share it on the site. It's more through email and then, yeah, just promotions that you see. I don't think they really advertise it like on their website. I don't think so. I have a 50K account with 12K profit. Nice. If I trade for 18 days and make about $70 per day, can I request 2K payout in my second? Yeah, Kevin Tobias. Yeah, I wish you could as well. That whole account, yeah, it's oh yeah, the Apex Discord. If you have Discord, go in the Discord. They post all their promotions there as well. Ronnie, are you saying that you do have, is it Apex or what account is it? How did you get the number of funded prop firm accounts to show up at the bottom of the copier? Day trader, this is the account dashboard from Affordable Indicators. And you can have it show totals on the settings all the way at the bottom is a show totals number. How are the combos going to get us unbanned, Emmett? I don't want to say I've given up, but I've gotten nowhere. I've gotten nowhere. I wish, you know what I want to do, and I might actually be able to do this, but I'd love to like actually sit down in person and have some conversations, but right now it's not going. I mean, it's just like, I don't know. I'm not happy about it. All right, market. This is starting to feel like we need to walk away. I probably should, yeah, I probably should walk away. You know what I'm going to be doing the rest of the day? I'll be assembling furniture until late at night. So, probably should just go do that. That would be more productive than trying to trade this price action because this is not great. But again, I will be looking at the Tradeify Grand Cup. I'll be screenshotting my team, like the top at the end of the day, and we'll do some giveaways tomorrow. So make sure you tune in tomorrow if you are in the top, probably top 3, something like that. You'll help me virtually assemble. Dude. Oof. It sounds like a great offer. Man, right here would be a tempting short again. I mean, very tempting short, but just don't think. I don't know. We might look back at this and wish I had taken it, but it's just been too choppy to keep trading this. I do think we go lower though. This market has been struggling to get above the EMAs, so that usually is a sign that we want to go lower. But we shall wait. Ronnie, or sorry, what is, expect trader, what's conservative risk management for MNQ to risk 50K? Oh, on the 50K account, I think 100 to 150 risk per trade is a good risk amount to start out. Obviously, if you build a buffer, you can increase that, but that's I feel like that's a safe conservative amount. Watch this now. I'm going to be so upset if this just dumps. Not cool. Not cool, man. Hey, no problem, expect. No problem. Did you 12 Amish people set up a barn at your new place? Tate, I wish. I need about 5 Amish guys here to help me assemble furniture. That's what I need. Well, guys, I think we got to walk away. I'm probably going to keep at least watching the market in the afternoon session. If we do get a breakdown to the downside, if we go lower, if we get a good setup, I will probably take it. So I'll wait. I'll do the recap. But I should probably go start assembling furniture. And you should be able to. It's counterintuitive, but all you need to do is trade 8 days, make 50 or more in 5 of them, and stay within the consistency rule and request the TK max. Ronnie, yes. Oh, okay. Oh, you were saying that you have Apex. Okay, so if you have 12K profit, what is your largest profit amount? Ronnie, what is your largest profit day? What is that? But yeah, Tanush, you're right. I was just curious. Want to make sure you didn't make, make sure he's within the 30% consistency. Look at this. Now we just go right back up. I'm so glad I'm not trading this. This is ugly price action right here. Oh, he said he is? Okay. Then you should be able to request. Yeah, you should be able to request, Ronnie. Are we going to be able to get above? I feel like we have an opportunity. I mean, if we make a big move above the VWAP and we start to grind higher, I could get some good setups in the afternoon session on some long trades. But we got to make new lows first. We have got to make some new lows. How long does an Apex payout review normally take, Jay Wilson? Honestly, anywhere from 1 day to like 4 days, 4 to 5 days. I've seen it. If it's a really, huge amount, it could take more. All right, guys, I think I'm going to call this. We're going to walk away. Basically, we are a little bit green, I guess. That's good. Better than red. It could definitely, if it could be better, but it's okay. We just had this one really, we could not get any continuation. This setup right here was the one that kind of faked us out, kind of got wicked out. Anyway, we still wouldn't have hit our first, actually we would have hit our first target, but that's it. So not that upset about that trade. It was a good trade. So, all right, guys, I think I'm going to call it. Thanks everyone for tuning in. The first stream from Florida. It was a lot of fun and everything worked. Let's go. I'm impressed that we had, by the way, guys, I want to ask, how is my echo sound? Do you guys feel like it's very echoey, or how is the sound? I haven't really, I feel like I might need to put up some more sound panels, but I wasn't sure. No echo, barely any echo, not too bad. Okay, well, that's great. That's good. That's good. Maybe I don't have to do much. Sounds fine. Okay, awesome. Awesome. All right, guys, thanks again. Appreciate it. If you don't mind, hit the like button on your way out. And we will be live again tomorrow morning. And I hope you guys have a great rest of your day. I hope you have a great green day. Take care and God bless.